lift it up. Lift it.
So today we're celebrating the grand opening of the new TechLab here at Sherwood Regional Library. This is the first of its kind in the library system. And everything you see here used to be a computer lab. So today we've reopened it and we've reimagined it. It's going to be a place for people to create, to explore, to discover. We have microscopes, we have sewing machines, we have robots that you can play with. So we encourage everyone from all ages to come down and take a look at everything that we have to offer in the new TechLab.
I've tried the little sphere robots. I've looked in the microscopes. I think it's all awesome. It's super cool.
I am playing with a foldoscope, which is a microscope that comes flat and you fold it all up, and then I'm almost done, I think.
My children were begging to come here this morning, and they are not disappointed. This is very exciting, and there's lots of good things for them to be inspired with and learn here, and hopefully make a passion out of their life with. So very happy about it.
So this morning we're having a great time here on the grand opening of the Tech Center. I'm hoping here to utilize it once or twice a week, and I'm just happy to have it here at Sherwood Library.
In addition to all the fabulous equipment that we'll have here at the Tech Lab, we're also going to be offering a full range of courses to supplement that. You can look for those programs either online at the Fairfax County Public Library website under the Events tab, or you can come in or call and ask about the various programs, because we have monthly calendars that you can view as well.